Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode where we explore master craftsmanship in action. Today, we will witness the impressive construction of a timber-framed house, starting with the erection of the pre-assembled wall frames. The craftsman carefully places each section in place, lifting and aligning them precisely and powerfully. Using a taut rope and a hammer, he ensures that the frames are firmly fixed and stand upright. Once the house frame is in place, he moves on to the next important stage, building the roof. He lifts each long, round log into place, forming the roof beams with incredible precision. Each log is placed with attention to both structural integrity and balance, a task that requires not only physical effort but also an in-depth understanding of weight distribution and joinery techniques. This stage of construction beautifully highlights the craftsmanship. It's not just raw power, it's a combination of planning, precision, and perseverance. Every movement and adjustment contributes to the integrity and overall aesthetic of the future home. What we see here is a celebration of traditional building techniques executed with care and respect for natural materials. With the structural frame in place, the craftsman moves on to the next important stage, finishing and enclosing the log house. He begins by carefully placing wide wooden planks on the floor joists. Using hammers and nails, he fastens each plank, ensuring a stable and level surface. The precision and attention to detail in aligning the planks highlights his experience and craftsmanship. Once the floors are in place, the focus shifts to the roof. To create a weatherproof covering, he spreads large tarps over the beams, followed by a layer of mesh for additional reinforcement. This two-layer system protects the interior from moisture, wind, and temperature fluctuations. But he doesn't stop there. He also carefully nails wooden planks over the tarps and mesh, not only reinforcing the roof but also enhancing the overall aesthetic of the house. The combination of traditional tools and basic materials reflects a thoughtful and intentional approach. Every movement is calculated, demonstrating the meticulousness and effort that goes into building a comfortable living space in a natural environment. This project is not just about shelter, but also about creating a warm, sustainable home using sustainable resources and practical knowledge. Every nail driven and every board placed demonstrates the builder's dedication to quality and longevity. This is a true testament to the power of craftsmanship in harmony with nature. During this phase of construction, the craftsman focuses on crafting the front porch area, an essential element that enhances both the function and appearance of the log house. Using thick, round logs, he carefully positions each log, securing them with hammer and nails. Each hammer blow is intentional, driving the nails deep into the base of the porch, creating a solid, rustic-style foundation. The craftsman carefully installs additional wooden planks to reinforce the frame to ensure long-term structural integrity. These reinforcements not only improve the durability of the house, but also contribute to the aesthetic, giving the house a solid and well-finished look. What is particularly impressive is that all of this is done entirely by hand. There are no heavy machinery, no shortcuts, just traditional tools and a lot of skill. It is a testament to both craftsmanship and perseverance. The precision with which each piece of wood is cut, assembled, and secured speaks to the craftsman's experience and dedication to the job. From start to finish, this stage emphasizes meticulous attention to detail, from the shape and fit of each piece of wood to the alignment of each wall. It is this dedication that transforms a simple shelter into a functional and beautiful log home, nestled in nature. In the final stage of construction, the craftsman focuses on crafting a wooden ladder. With incredible patience, he uses hammer and nails to assemble each step, carefully aligning the parts so that they are both secure and balanced. The sound of the hammer echoes throughout the forest. What makes this stage particularly inspiring is that every step is done by hand. No power tools, no shortcuts, just a commitment to traditional craftsmanship. The craftsman demonstrates both skill and dedication, and you can really feel the pride in his work as each nail is hammered into place. A beautiful log cabin standing proudly amidst lush greenery. The entire structure blends harmoniously with the surrounding natural landscape, providing a peaceful and inviting retreat that is entirely handcrafted. Thank you for following this journey. Stay tuned for more inspiring projects like this.